So welcome to another video lecture on basic electrical circuits. This is a given circuit. They are asked to find the current that is going through this uh, loop. I have taken this one as I1 and this one as I2 and this as I3. So therefore, you can see the direction of I. The I is in the direction of I3. So I3 minus I2. I2 is in the opposite direction. So I is equal to I3 minus I2. So I'm going to form a mesh loop. So here for I1, 10 is here my voltage and the total resistance is 12. So 3 plus 9 is 12. And between I1 and I2, I have 3 resistors. So I'm going to write it as minus 3 and minus 9 is resistance between I1 and I3. Next, there is no voltage in the I2 loop, so 0. So total resistance is 4 and here it is minus 3. And between I2 and I3, I don't have any resistance. Next, for a third loop, it is 0. So total resistance is 11. And it is minus 9 and this is 0. So I need to find the value of del, right? So this is E and this is R and this is I. I1, I2 and I3. Okay. The first row is I1, second row is I2 and I3. So I need to form the determinant of this one. So how to form the determinant? 12 into 44 minus 0 plus 3 into minus 33, right? Minus 33 minus 0. Minus 9. 0 plus 36, right? So on solving, you will get the answer as so once if you find the value of del, I need to find the value of del 1 and del 2. Del 2 and del 3. Okay. So how to find the value of del I2 is del 2 minus del is I or I2. Okay. And I3 is del 3 minus del. So once you form the value, so you can find the value of I. Okay. So what is my del value? Del value is 105. Okay. So 105 is my del value. Next, in order to find the value of del 2, so I have to substitute the B value at the second column. Okay. So in order to find the value of I2, so I won't substitute the B value at the second column. After that, I have to form the determinant. Okay. So it is minus 10 of minus 33 minus 9, 0. Right. So answer is 330. Next is del 3. Del 3 is I have to substitute the P value at the third column. Okay. So what is my second column? Minus 3, 4 and here. So now you have to form that determinant value. So it is nothing but 10 into 36. So it is nothing but 360. So once if I form the values, I need to find the value of I. I is nothing but del 3 minus del 2 divided by del. So del 3 minus del 2 is 360 minus 330, right? So this is nothing but 30 divided by your del value is 105. So on solving, we get terms of 0 point. Since you can see the numerator is very less compared to the denominator, so you will get answer as 0.285. It is nothing but 0.29. Answer is here. Next, the charging time required to charge the equivalent capacitance between A and B is 100 volt by the steady state direct current of magnitude 10 amps. Okay, the current flowing through the zone is 10 amps. Or the current what is based on its 10 ohms. So since these two capacitors are in parallel, I have to add this value. So this 8 microfarad, these two are in series, so I have to divide this one by 2. So you will get 4 microfarad. Now this 4 microfarad and 4 microfarad is in parallel, so you have to add these values. Okay. So if you add, you will get 8 microfarad, right? So we get 8 microfarad. Now this 8 microfarad and 8 microfarad is in parallel. Right? So if it is parallel, means you have to add the two capacitors. And if it is series, means the formula is C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2, where the C1 and C2 are connected in series. Okay. So now you can see this 2 is in parallel. So you have to add these two capacitors. So it could be 16 microfarad, right? So if you see, I in the circuit have I value and C equivalent, that is 16 microfarad. Okay. So what is the formula for I? I is equal to dq by dt. And Q I can write as CV. So here it is C equivalent. And I need to obtain the value of T. They are asking about the value of T. So T is equal to CV by I. So C they have given it as 16 microfarad and V they have given it as 100 volt and I is 10. So you obtain the value as 160 micro seconds, since the unit of time is seconds. Let us discuss our next problem. The current and the voltage waveform of the element are shown in the figure. Find the circuit element and its value. So if you see, this is in ramp and this is in the unit step function. So if I differentiate this di by dt, I will get the value of v, that is step function. Yeah. So it is nothing but L. So here the element is nothing but an inductor. Okay. So now I need to obtain the value of so the v values to up to 25 seconds and L value I have to find out. So what is di? It is 2. It is 2 and dt is 25. So you will get the answer of L is equal to 25 by solving the 2 on both sides. You will get the value of L is equal to 35. Okay. So the unit of the inductance is Henry. So it is represented as H. Now let us discuss the next problem. The two electrical network L1 and L2 are connected through the 3 resistor which is shown in the figure. The Vx across the 3 ohm resistance only they are asked. So this is a two networks. You can see 16 volt and 4 ohm resistance. So the current is flowing from positive to negative. So it is 16 divided by 4 is 4 and 60 divided by 2 is 3. So these two are the current that is flowing through this resistance. So let me assume that this is the total current, that is 7 amps, which is flowing in this direction. So it is in opposite direction of Vx. So the Vx is equal to 7 into 3 is minus something. Next, the current waveform the time period 10 seconds is shown in the figure. How much charge is transferred from 0 to 12 seconds? So here it is given at up to 10 seconds only. So the I value is equal to dq divided by dt, right? So what is q? Q is equal to I into t. So I into dq is equal to I into dt. So q is equal to integration of I dt. So it represents the area which is in this box, right? So how to find the area? It is minus 4 into 2. That is your area. That is minus 8. Right? So next one is 2 into 2, right? That is your area. 2 into 2. Next 2 into 6. So the rest of the thing is 0. So if you solve, we'll get minus 8 plus 4 plus 12. That is nothing but 8 coulomb. But if you see the 12 seconds they haven't given. Right. So since it is repeating, I'm going to keep this one as minus 4 up to 12 seconds, right? I can see the diagram. So if it is there, I need to add minus 8 with this value, right? Since it is 2 into minus 4, right? So you will get Q as 12 zeros. So below coulomb. So since the dot they have given, I don't know the exact. Okay. So my next question is for the current part I versus I2, and this transformer value given, this I1 and I2 value is given. They are asked to find the value of V11, V12, V21 and V2. So you know the formula for V11. V11 is equal to I1 into, sorry, L1 into DI1 DI1 by dt. So what is L1? L1 is 2 milli di by dt. Di by dt is, if you, it is a differentiation value, so it is 1 divided by 0.5. 1 divided by 0.5. So next you have to take the mutual inductance. So see here, you can see both the current are entering. So you have to write plus plus is both the current is entering. 1 milli is some mutual inductance. Since it is mutual inductance, you have to take the opposite current, that is nothing but di2 divided by dt. di2 is minus 1 divided by 0.5. Okay. So now we have to solve this proper. So you can see it is not 0.5, it is 0.5 milliseconds. So the milli get cancelled out. Okay, so you'll get 2. It is not 2m since it is in the base of the time period you have milliseconds. It is in the terms of milliseconds. So therefore you have to divide it by m. So you will get answer as 2 volt. Next I need to find the value of V12. V12 is equal to L2, that is 3m divided by m into di2 divided by dt. Okay, that is nothing but minus 1 divided by 0.5. Since both the current are entering, plus mutual inductance is 1 milli, 2 milli, and 1 divided by 0.5 is I1 current. So on solving, you get minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2 volt. Next, I need to find the value of V2. So V21 is equal to, again, 3 milli into di1 by dt, that is nothing but 1 divided by 0.5. Minus 2 into 2 is since both current are entering and leaving. So it is di by dt. So 3 into 1 divided by 0.5 minus 2 into minus 1 divided by 0.5. Since the dot is different, you'll get 6 plus 4, that is 10 volt. Next, it is not I1 by I2, it is di1 divided by dt. di1 divided by dt. Okay, so 2 into 2 millihenry into I2 value is minus 1 divided by 0.5 plus 2 into, it is minus 2 because current is in the dot is in opposite direction. So you get that is minus 8. Okay. So next question is find the current IT which is shown, which is applied to a 4 millivolt capacitor issue based to volt. They are asked to find the W1 and W2 from 0 to 2 and 2 PT. So the initial the energy formula is 1 divided by CV square. So we substitute the value of C and the D they are given. Okay. So if it considers 8 micro, it is not the Faraday juice. Okay. 8 micro cubics is your initial energy. Next, I need to find the value of here the I is the I value is nothing but right. So we know that dV by dt into C is equal to your I. So I can write V is equal to 1 by C. V is equal to 1 by C integration of 0 to 2 I dt. So this is for 2 seconds, and the initial voltage they have given it as 2 volt, right? So you substitute the value. C is 4 and it is integration, right? So it is 1 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. Since the area of this value, so we'll get 2.5 is your initial voltage from 0 to 2 seconds. So now you find the value of energy. 1 divided by 2 into C square, C B square, right? So 1 divided by 2 into C is for 4 microfarad, right? So if you cancel, you will get 2 microfarad, and it is V is nothing but 2.5 the whole square. So 2.5 the whole square is nothing but 6.25, right? So 6.25 into 2, it is nothing but 13.5. So the 13.5 minus 8, you get the answer is equal to 4.5 joules. So up to 0 to 2, you will have 4.5 joules. Next, you need to find the value of V from 2 to 3. So it is 1 by 4 into the area. That is nothing but 1 into 2. So S2, that is equal to 0.5. Right. So initially it is 2.5. So you will get V value is equal to 3 ohm. How you are going to substitute in the energy? Energy is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 4 into 3 square. That is nothing but 2 into 9. That is 18 joules. So the initial energy from 0 to 2 seconds is 13.5. So if you subtract 13.5 from 18, you will get answer as 5.5.